welcome back to my unboxing episode here at Atomy Marikina AZA Center. So now let's see what I've got in AZA Mall. So I bought some things in AZA Mall because these things are really essentials nowadays, especially if you are watching seminars online and listening to music online and anything you want to listen online. So I bought this Bluetooth Bluetooth ear patch. Okay, so let's see. This is really cheap in AZA Mall, so that's why I bought this two. I will give the other one to someone and then the other one for my son. So let's see. And it's what I love about AZA Mall. The delivery is very quick, very fast. Like for example, if you ordered it today, and then immediately it will arrive the next day. So it's really amazing. The delivery services here in Korea are really amazing. So let's try to open it. Okay, so I'm really excited with this because this is really essentials nowadays. Okay, let's open. And then, okay, here you go. As I've told you, I bought two, and the name is wireless earset or Bluetooth earset. This is how it looks like, and it has i7 meter, meaning to say you can hear it within 7 meters. So within 7 meters, maybe in your home. Okay, so yes, Bluetooth 5.0 i7M Bluetooth, and there is a freebie. It's a review. So okay, so if you please, they said that please write a review. So maybe I could write a review after so that other people also can see. So there is a jolly freebie for this. So nothing else. And now let's try to open what I've got. Earset, wireless earset. Okay, so I will be going to give the other one to someone and then to my son. Okay, so here it says charging voltage is DC 5V and the Bluetooth is 5.0. These are the specification, and playing time is okay. So Bluetooth is 5.0, playing time is around 2.3 hours, and the charging time is 40 to 50 minutes. I think this is good, really good. Okay, so actually I have bought this another on the other website, and it's a little bit expensive, but the wideness or the wideness that you can hear it, it's i16, and this one is i7 meter, and still very cheap. Okay, let's see. So this is how it looks like. Oh, sorry. We're gonna open it. Oh, I'm sorry. Okay, so this is how it looks like. Here it goes with a pamphlet or a manual, and of course it goes with a cord. Okay, so let's see. Let's of course read the manual first. This is very important. If you have new gadgets or anything, you need to read the manual first so that you will know what to do. Okay, so yeah, and it's all written in Korean, but it's actually made in China but written in Korean because the distributor here, there is a distributor here in Korea. So this is how it looks like. Let's see. It's so cute. It's white, and this is how it looks like inside. I think you need I need to charge it first. Okay, so here, then another one here, and then there is an on button here. Oh, there is no battery. So I will not open the other one because this one is owned by another person, so I will not open this. And this one, I opened it already because I'm going to give it to my son. So it's cute one because he is always doing the Zoom and he play games a lot. So maybe I could give this as a gift because it's too cheap. So I think that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Here you go. Thank you.